Does affiliate marketing feel like you're hacking your way through a jungle with a knife? Stop thinking you need to figure it all out in one weekend. Affiliate marketing is a skill, not a magic trick. If you treat it like a real business and give yourself permission to learn, you'll already be ahead of most beginners who quit after 2 weeks. Pick one traffic source. Don't try to be everywhere. Mastering one platform is far more effective than posting randomly across 10 different ones. Stop speaking to everyone. The more specific your audience, the easier it is to create content that makes people say, "That's me." The smaller your focus, the stronger your connection. Show up even when no one's reacting. In the beginning, silence is normal. Consistency is what eventually turns that silence into engagement, trust, and sales. You don't have to hack through the jungle alone. Stop guessing and follow a clear step-by-step plan from someone who's already done it. If you want a roadmap that can help you, visit the link in the description below this video.